Yeah, guys. I don't want y'all to looking at my girl still now, but Shen. Watch it, check this out, people. Well, I want people, boy, Tyrekejt there. I'm back with another reaction video right now. Now, this video is a Shenseea Foreplay. Now, all the kids watching, bye. Like, goodbye. Let's get straight to the reaction, people. No long talking. Smash a like and subscribe if you're new and touch the bell to get all notifications when I post. And for my Americans audience, Shenseea, if you don't know Shenseea, she one of the sexiest artists, female artists of Jamaica, you understand me? And I'm my woman. You heard me, you tell them she is my woman. Anyways, Shenseea Foreplay. Let's get straight to the reaction. Alright, voila. Mm. Woo. Wait. No man, Shenseea. You kind of look flat right there, so still not Shenseea. What I got? It not look uppity right there, so it look flat right. Anyways, forward, chat too much. Shake up. Woo! Woo! Hold on there. Me I do something wrong then. Because me never use a thumb and do nothing yet, you know. Anyways. So basically, she is saying, Shenseea, that song ain't really connect, you know. That's I realize what you're saying, you know. You love it, the D. But you go put the D and stand by your finger. Most girls don't like finger in the first place, you know. Most girls don't like finger. So why you gonna put the D and stand by? Anyways, chat too much. Well, I know, man. Can't get drunk so early. People, at 4 o'clock in the morning. Can't get drunk so early at all, boy. Run it. Whoa. Shen. Which one you play back speed there? Shen. Guys. I don't want y'all to looking at my girl still now, but Shen. Watch it, check this out, people. Woo. Back to normal, ready? Oh man, wala. Ready? Let's get back to this. She flexible, someone like Tyrekejt comfy. Video Tyrekejt. That now go past me so. That now go past me so. That now go past me so. That now pass me so. Me a place in that. Now pass me so. Slow mo, ready. Now pass me so. Woo! Anyways. Damn, what is my up on there now? Anyways, get back to the video, boy. She's straight up massaging the pipe. Oh man. Alright, we'll go finish the video. I don't think I can finish the video, no, honestly I don't think I can finish this video. Let me. That's true. Yeah boy. That's hey. Show me that Shenseea. Well we'll take one more tight there. We'll take one more tight there. Show me that Shenseea. Oh man. Feel shaky. Let me mirror your look. Alright, good. Come again. Alright, 51 seconds more to go. That video too nice. Oi! Hey! All I know is see this music video. The man who record that video, it's supposed to look like a brick. The man who record this music video, he's supposed to set up every scene. And you see that. But that's what Shenseea was. What we thought of. Like, react to the video, boy, and start pausing. Imagine me as a video man. And see that. Show did it. That's something me don't like. That food something there. Man like sucking toes and them something there. No. That food fetish something there. No. I can't understand how people have a food fetish. Like only like toes and foot. Suck off toe. Nasty mofos. Nasty. That done slow boy already, what? Yeah, boy. Hey, that video is nice, you know, man. That video is nice. Boy. My baby gone, baby. No. But boys and girls, it's been your boy, Ty. Remember to subscribe to the channel if you are new, touch a like button and comment on the thoughts on the music video. It's been about that. Peace out.